Introducing the 2025 Volkswagen Id.4 77KWH 304B horsepower GTX PLUS AUTOMATIC. This electric beauty in grey has only 377 kilometres on the clock and is packed with top-notch features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, lane departure warning and much more. Not only does it offer luxury and comfort, but it also prioritises safety with features like multiple airbags, collision avoidance braking and emergency call. With a full health and safety check, manufacturer specified servicing and a comprehensive warranty, you can trust that this vehicle is in prime condition. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie today for more information.